Hello friends, thank you so much for tuning back in with me and watching me talk about Artisan Keycaps. So, I'm sure quite a few of you have noticed that once again I stopped making videos. I've been a little busy and I'll talk about that a little bit later at the end of the video. I know that most of you just want to see the keycaps, so I am bringing you the caps. So up today we have a very cool keycap by Booper/Omnicleptic, and it is a Cosmonaut. So this is the little envelope that I received it in. I would show you guys the front, but that has sensitive information. You can see that she stamps it off with like a cute little boop stamp thingy to show off, you know, the brand. And let me open this up for you guys. It came inside another bubble mailer in order to be able to protect it, and comes with a very cool astronaut sticker. So playing off the whole astronaut sculpt. And it comes with a little baggie and some oh, I honestly forgot what this thing is called, but it's that little wire thing that you can use in order to like scuff things up or like or smooth things down, I guess, too. So it's that little like wire spongy thingy. I totally forgot what it's called, but hopefully one of you will be able to correct me in the comments or let me know what this is called. What you guys have been waiting for, the Cosmonaut. So this is actually my very first Booper win. I am very stoked about it because it's an awesome keycap and something, or a sculpt that I've been trying to get my hands on practically since I started in the hobby. So as you can see, this Cosmonaut features an astronaut. So it's kind of sculpted on top of a blank. And you can see he has like a little oxygen tubing going there on the side and a visor. So the visor is made out of a very clear and glittery color. So it's like another, it's kind of like encapsulated in there. It kind of looks like a marble almost. It's very pretty and very smooth. And the particular color of this visor is aquamarine. So what Booper is doing, she is basically making colorways for every month according to every month's birthstone. And I won this a few months ago because, you know, aquamarine is for 1 month out of the year. I totally forgot. But I'm holding on to this cap, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I can win in October, which is my birth month. But if I don't, then I have some trade fodder, you know. You can see the little buttons kind of sculpted or, you know, carved out of the keycap do match the little visor color going on, and it's honestly very pretty. I have never really seen one of these caps in person up until now, so I'm very excited about finally having my hands on a Booper keycap. And on the very bottom of it, you can see the maker's mark, which consists of a circle with an exclamation point carved right in there. Overall, it's really pretty, and one of the keycaps that I just first gravitated to when I first started the hobby. Booper does make these in MX stems as well as topper stems. I don't know if it's pronounced topper, topre. I just say topper, but that's probably not how it's pronounced, so sorry about that. And overall, it's just really incredible. She sculpts these Cosmonauts along with two other two other still in use sculpts, which is the Amelia and the Colonel, I think. I'll show you guys right here in the video somewhere, but they're both very cute. And so basically she makes them all in the same colorway kind of, and they can practically come as a set. it's very hard to get your hands on them because of course they are limited quantities, but when you do get your hands on them, it is totally worth it. Let me see if this actually shines with UV light or not. I'm not entirely sure. So I am shining it with my very cool UV flashlight, and unfortunately it does not react to it. It practically stays the same color, but you know, this cap is so lovely in and of itself that it doesn't really need that whole UV reactive gimmick. I mean, it's not really so much a gimmick, it's more of like an Easter egg. I always enjoy when keycaps do react to UV light, but sometimes they don't like really need them. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at that keycap, and if you're only here to watch me talk about keycaps, then I guess this is a good time to, like, you know, exit out of the video. And if you want some like life updates, then stick around. So I'm sure you all see my very cool getup today. Very reminiscent of early 2000s dancing under a bridge. Oh, speaking of which, I forgot my arm warmers, but it's too late to put those on now. But yeah, I am dressing the part and stuff. Basically, I've been taking part, or I've been like guest starring in a very, very cool stream that goes on every single week. It used to be on Thursdays, but now it's on Sundays, although sometimes it's depending on whether it's a holiday or whether everyone can make it or not. But I found a very, very cool community of people. They're like hardware hackers and like into cyberdecks and into like building stuff and into 3D printing and lasers and all of that very cool and good stuff. They're called the Cyberdeck Cafe. I found them via YouTube because I was reached out by JD, who is the person in charge basically of the group, and as well as Blasto, both very wonderful people that I'm very happy to have met. And basically I pop in every now and then and, you know, get involved in the conversation, and sometimes we talk about keyboards. So if you're interested in, you know, seeing incredibly wonderful and innovative keyboard designs, feel free to join the group or to tune into the streams. It's honestly so cool, and everyone in there is wicked smart. Like, they talk about stuff that I don't really know about, but I'm having lots of fun learning about. It is all very welcoming, and you can get to see like all sorts of cool like cyberpunk aesthetics going on, or like ideas, and like people make these very tiny computers that are portable and they look so cool. And I'm gonna try to include some pictures up in the video because it's so freaking cool what everyone makes and how creative everyone is, honestly. It's just really cool, and honestly, it's a very, very fun community. Feel free to check them out. I'm gonna include some links in the description of my videos. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. I showed up like this to the last stream, and it was pretty fun. It went on for a while, and honestly, if you're ever bored, or want to learn something new, or want to get involved in something new, please check them out. I cannot recommend these guys enough. They're all very wonderful people, very intelligent, and very knowledgeable about all these kinds of things. And they're what is making me finally be pushed into learning and like buying my own 3D printer. So it's hopefully gonna come in soon, and I'll be able to, you know, tinker with it and learn 3D software with it. It's pretty intimidating and daunting, not gonna lie, but it looks like lots of fun. I kind of took like a little break from making videos, mostly because I've just been very busy lately. I had some stuff, you know, go on in my personal life, and I've just been trying to busy myself. And not to mention, all my friends have gotten their last vaccine dose, and so we can safely see each other now, and I've been having lots of fun, getting to see them and chat with them and, just spend that time in person because, I'm sure you guys know as well as I do, you can make very deep and complex relationships with people online and friendships and whatnot, but, something just doesn't translate over when you see each other in person. So that's why I can't wait for meetups to start again. I enjoy seeing all my friends at the meetups and meeting new people and just getting to explore and vibe with each other in person. Something that you can't really do as much online. So I'm looking forward to that. And I've also been exploring nature. I mean, while there wasn't much to do, you just grab a backpack, grab some snacks and water, grab your friends or family, grab a car, and just drive, for hours and hours. And or it depends really where you live, but here where I live, I have to drive hours and hours in order to be able to really explore the wonder that is nature and all the trees and fresh air and rivers and deer and very, very tiny squirrels that I have never seen. Because if you ever go out here to LA, all the squirrels are fat as hell. They're these chunky little monsters that will not hesitate to come up to you and sucker punch you for that last bit of churro you're eating. And these squirrels out in the wild are so tiny. It's really incredible, and I've just been having lots of fun, and I've been doing all sorts of own personal projects, and yeah, I've just been busy. I have a lot of stuff to catch up to, but hopefully I have a new camera to be able to record with right now, so it's nice. Hopefully this will be better quality than my previous videos, and I'm trying to get my hands on a new green screen, one that's more rectangly and squared rather than oblong, in order to be able to do cooler stuff. But yeah, that's what I've been up to, or at least part of it. Kind of stepped back from keyboards for a bit, but that doesn't mean that I don't love keycaps and keyboards and the hobby and the community. It just means that I've been a little busy doing my own thing, but I am trying my best to get involved again. I have lots of stuff planned to show you guys, and I can't wait. And like I said, hopefully you guys just enjoy watching, and I make this not only for myself, because I do love talking about keyboards, and I do love talking about keycaps, and I could go on and on and on, but yeah, it's just a little fun outlet for me, and hopefully you guys enjoy watching this. This video's gone for a little bit too long, and once you get me talking, I can't stop sometimes. But yeah, just stay tuned in, and hopefully I'll get some more content out for you guys. But until the next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you then. Happy clacking!